Hey guys, welcome to question MM206 of the Maths Methods Fortify study guide. We've got this question, y equals 3x, this function, y equals 3x times tan of 2x. We need to find dy dx when x equals pi on 6. Now, this is a 3-mark question, so just keep that in mind as we go along, and I'll obviously show which marks are allocated where. So, first things first is to recognize what kind of function this is, okay? Because we're going to need to find dy dx, which is the derivative of this, but it's not a normal function. So what is it? We are dealing with a product rule, okay? Because there's a function 3x, and we're multiplying it by tan of 2x, right? There's an implied multiplication there. So we're going to use our product rule. Awesome. First of all, we're actually just going to rewrite this function. So we're going to say let y equal u times v. And if you're going to be doing these sort of questions, guys, you got to say let, right? You just need to do it because if you're pulling u and v out of nowhere, you got to say that you're kind of letting it equal that. So let y equal u times v, where u equals 3x and v equals tan of 2x, right? Now our product rule tells us that dy dx is equal to u times dv dx plus v times du dx. Awesome. So this means that we're going to need to find dv dx and du dx. So let's start with that. So dv dx is the derivative of v with respect to x. So our derivative of tan of 2x is 2 sec squared 2x. You can find that on your formula sheet. And du dx is the derivative of 3x, which is just 3. Cool. So now we've got all of our components. We've got our u, v, dv dx, and du dx, and we can kind of merge them all together with this formula. So dy dx is equal to u, which is 3x, u times dv dx, which is our 2 sec squared 2x, plus v, which is tan 2x, multiplied by du dx, which is 3. Cool. And then we can just kind of expand this out and get 6x sec squared 2x plus 3 tan of 2x. Now guys, that's your first mark. Like somewhere in here is your first mark, finding dy dx. But then that's not all we have to do because we've found dy dx, but we want to find it when x equals pi on 6, okay? So what we're going to do is, I think I'm going to rub all this out just to make it easier for myself and for you guys to understand what's going on. So I'm just going to get rid of all this. Cool. So dy dx is equal to this. We're searching for dy dx when x equals pi on 6. Okay, so all we're going to do is just sub in our value of pi on 6. So dy dx is equal to 6 times pi on 6 sec squared 2 times pi on 6 plus 3 tan of 2 times pi on 6. Awesome. Sweet. So 6 times pi on 6 is pi. And I'm just going to rewrite this again. So it's pi sec squared of pi on 3 plus 3 tan of pi on 3. Alrighty guys. Now, keeping in mind that sec squared is 1 over cos squared of x, whatever our angle is there. So this is actually pi times 1 over cos squared of pi on 3. Yep. Plus, now tan of pi on 3 is root 3. Yep. So 3 times root 3. Cos of pi on 3 is, I'll just rewrite this. So cos of pi on 3 is 1/2, which means that cos squared of pi on 3 is going to be 1/2 squared. Okay, so 1 over 1/2 squared plus 3 root 3. Let's go up here. Oh, and by the way, guys, your second mark comes in somewhere around here. Sweet. So from here, we can just keep evaluating that. We get pi over 1/4 plus 3 root 3. This 4 comes up here to multiply by that, and we get 4 pi plus 3 root 3. So that's our third and final mark, guys. dy dx equals 4 pi plus 3 root 3 when x equals pi on 6. That's it. So guys, if you have any questions, please hit me up in the comments below. But otherwise, thanks for watching and have an awesome day.